Alright, what's going on, guys? So, figured I'd make a pretty basic tutorial for anybody who wants to learn how to use Debugger, or, whether you be new to modding, just getting into it even though it's been around for a while, maybe you have been modding, you don't know how to use Debugger, and you just want to learn some basics. First thing you're going to need before we get into it, you're going to need a debug file, whether it be a debug.self file or a debug.eboot.bin, and then the game of your choice that you want to mod. I'm going to use MW3 as a reference, so I'm going to look up 1.24 MW3 offsets. Since 24 is the update that the game is currently on, you get all these different threads. You can choose anyone that you may want. I use Portal-centric. It's the site that I'm always on. They have everything I need. Sure, they'll have everything that you need. And eboots there. Your offsets. I do have my own right here in Notepad, the ones that I'm probably going to use for this tutorial, but just to show you, that's where you can find them. I have anything from non-host stats to host offsets, whether it be God mode, whatever. Alright, next thing you're going to want to do is, after you have your offsets and your debug boot on your PS3, open Debugger. Let this load. Alright, and then Debugger opens. If it's the first time you open it, or maybe you just open it on launch of the game, you may have zeros or Ds. What you're going to want to do is click Auto Update, and what I do is I connect and attach any tool. I use NetCheat, because you can use it to find offsets. You can also use it to convert a normal number to a hex number. Like so, like type in any number. Oh, not the letter, but there you go. That's the hex version of 1237. But anyway, so you'll choose the offset you want. I'll do name change because if you're playing Call of Duty, it's probably going to be the first one that you try to mess with. Copy it, paste it here in Debugger, and then click search, and then there's your name. There's my name. You can see right here, name. Maybe you want buttons in your name or something, so you'll change first byte value to 01 or 02, anything. You can play around with it, find different buttons. You come over here, type in whatever you want. So do like you can just add another button. So, 02 this time. You get the gist of it now. And then you can also do stuff like stats. Like, we'll do prestige as the next example. Your offset. Paste it back in your address. And there's your prestige. So 02 being second prestige. This number right here is the one that you're going to change for prestige. So anything from 00 through say 09 will be obviously no prestige through 9th. And you can see that there. If you want 10th, this 9 is going to change any, well, if you want 10th, it'll change to an A. But if you want, say, like 10th through 15th, it'll be A through F, F being 15th. You'll see. If you want anything higher than that, say you want 16th through 20th, it'll go to like 10 as a byte value, or 14 being 20th. Anything after this 14 will give you no prestige, or the modded one that some people like. As you can see here, you get the blank one. Put any number you want there. It can be 15, it can be 19, whatever. All you're gonna get is a blank square. It's not gonna change. So actually we'll stick with 02 because it's the prestige I like. You can also do your kills, deaths, whatever. We'll do kills as the next one. I'm not gonna go through all the stats because it'll take too long. The offset. There you go. Show you here. The kills that I have. And you can change this to whatever you want. You can do like 2F, 23, say, I don't know, 1A. And then the rest zeros. And your stats won't auto update. Like you'll see, I'll close Barracks, reopen it. Stays the same. From the update, you gotta play a game and get a kill or a death, which I'll show you right here. Let's jump into a game. Alright, and then, so we're ready. I'll have this ready. You can also do like your non-host stuff. You'll find the offset for, say, Super UAV. That would be this offset right here. Tells you 02 is on, 01 is off. Okay. Open the game.
Capture the objectives.
Currently you can see no Super UAV. That's the 01. Changes to 2. The UAV will turn on.
We're taking the lead.
And like I was saying before, kill yourself. Kill yourself, whatever. Leave the game after that, and your stats will change. It'll auto update. Let's see that right here. See, my kills jumped up from say the 1,000, whatever it was, to just over 1 million, almost 2 million. And, I mean, that's kind of the basics. You guys can obviously play around, maybe find stuff on your own. Change your class names, whatever you want to change. Whatever offsets that are in threads that you find, you can play with, maybe add on to them. Maybe if you're playing a game like GTA or something, you can find different stuff, whether it be clothes or different car modifications, whatever. But if you're playing a game like GTA, you're going to need NetCheat because the offsets are dynamic, which means they're constantly changing. Every time you load the game or on boot up, the offsets change. They do not stay the same like a Call of Duty game. But hopefully this helped you guys. I hope you enjoy. Maybe find some cool stuff on your own. If you do, please post it or leave something in the comments on what you find. Have a good day.